Brought to you by Subscribe Today. Jason Plato will contest the 2019 British Touring Car Championship with the Power Maxed racing team in a factory-backed Vauxhall Astra. The most successful BTCC driver ever in terms of race wins inked a deal last week and will begin a test program with the Warwickshire-based team in early March. It means the double title winner will rejoin Vauxhall, the marque with which he took his maiden BTCC crown in 2001 as a factory driver in a 888 race engineering Vauxhall Astra Coupe, pictured below. "I am really excited and energized about what can be achieved at Power Maxed Racing," said Plato. "I really like team principal, Adam Weaver. We clicked as soon as we met and I know some key staff there from my days as a factory Vauxhall driver with 888 in 2000 and 2001. From an operational point of view, I know Power Maxed Racing is run in the right way and it was a quick, race-winning car last year. PMR was in contention in the team's championship and it is a good, solid outfit." Adam and team manager, Martin Broadhurst, have got genuine well-thought-out ambitions. "It is an exciting opportunity and one which, with all things being equal and providing we get a good run and we all work hard, we can be competitive." A teammate for Plato will be announced within the next 2 weeks, along with major new backing for the campaign. Plato has competed with the BMR racing team in a Subaru Levorg for the last 3 seasons, but last year was his first ever winless campaign in the BTCC since joining the series in 1997. "Jason has been around in the BTCC and he knows what he wants from a car, which will be an advantage," said PMR boss Weaver. "The whole team is excited about having a driver with Jason's level of success in the squad. He brings with him a profile that we haven't had before, which will sit well with the current partners that we have. He is the most popular driver in terms of the reaction from the fans and he has a huge following on social media, which only goes to back up the results that he has already had. On track, we have proved that we are a team capable of winning races and now we want to take the next step and go for overall titles. That is, of course, what every team sets out to do and it has to be our ambition for the 2019